大家好, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the world of Chinese measure words. Now this may sound like a dry topic, but choosing the right measure word makes a big difference to how natural your Mandarin sounds. So let's get started. In Chinese, we put measure words between numbers and nouns to indicate the quantity of a noun. For example, instead of saying one book, we say one measure word book, 一本书. So let's learn the top 10 Chinese measure words for daily life. First up is 个. 个 is the most common and versatile measure word in Chinese. You can use it for people, objects, and even abstract concepts. For example, 一个人, one person. 三个土豆, three potatoes. 一个想法, one idea. Next, we have 只. 只 is used for animals and certain objects with a pair. For example, 一只猫, one cat. 两只手, two hands. 八只耳朵, 8 ears. The third measure word is 本. 本 is used for books and other bound items. For example, 一本书, one book. 三本杂志, three magazines. 五本笔记本, 5 notebooks. Moving on to number 4, we have 辆. 辆 is used for vehicles with wheels. For example, 一辆车, one car. 9辆救护车, 9 ambulances. 10辆自行車, 10 bikes. At number 5, we have 件. 件 is used for clothing and matters. For example, 一件衣服, one piece of clothing. 五件毛衣, 5 sweaters. 三件事情, 3 matters. At number 6, we have 条. 条 is used for counting long, narrow, and flexible objects, as well as some abstract concepts. For example, 一条香蕉, one banana. 五条路, 5 roads. 三条建议, 3 pieces of advice. The 7th measure word is 杯. 杯 is used for counting liquids in cups or glasses. For example, 一杯咖啡, 1 cup of coffee. 两杯水, 2 glasses of water. 三杯茶, 3 cups of tea. The 8th measure word is 把. 把 is used for counting objects with handles or objects that can be held in hand. For example, 一把伞, 1 umbrella. 三把椅子, 3 chairs. 五把刀, 5 knives. At number 9, we have 张. 张 is used for counting flat objects such as paper, cards, tickets, or tables. For example, 一张纸, a piece of paper. 两张电影票, 2 movie tickets. 八张桌子, 8 tables. The 10th measure word is 台. 台 is used for counting machines, appliances, or vehicles. For example, 一台电脑, a computer. 两台咖啡机, 2 coffee machines. 五台手机, 5 cell phones. Alright, we've covered the top 10 Chinese measure words for daily life. These words will help you communicate more precisely when speaking Chinese. So let's do a quick recap of what we have learned. 个, 知, 本, 量, 件, 条, 杯, 把, 张, 台, I hope this video has been helpful in expanding your Chinese vocabulary and understanding of measure words. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more language learning content and tips on mastering Chinese. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you and help you on your language learning journey. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. 好了，我是 Angel，我们下次见。